So, one of the easiest, most cost effective ways to enhance and upgrade your space is to add wood accents to your wall. You see it's happening all over the internet, but it's really easy to do. Here I am completing a project I had started last year or the year before that, where I installed this lattice molding around the television and fireplace there. You can see toward the left. And so I'm just now getting around to completing this wall. Again, this is lattice molding, and the measurements are 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch. So here you see me just measuring, cutting, measuring twice, cutting once, installing a simple square design. Looks like getting toward the end here. And I did add some three-dimensional aspects to the wall, which you see here, which is just layering the molding on top of each other. And here I've gotten a lot of practice with painting, so my cutting in skills are pretty precise at this point. And here is me just painting the whole wall. Adding, like I said, again, character to the wall, to the room, to the home in general. It's just an easy way to make your space pop. And here we have the final product. Another completed project, and it is beautiful.